Tapos yun na, nagulat na ako sa set dahil unang meeting pa lang namin ng mga anak ko. Shook na kami. Shook na shook.
Love it. I love it. Okay, let's go to our writers. Paano ba nagsimula itong kwentong to? Is this a story inspired by true events? Paano to? Jumbo?
Siyempre, di ba, lahat naman tayo, fear natin, mawalan ng mga magulang, kaya mga mahal sa buhay. Itong Meet, Greet, and Buy, actually, nanggaling siya sa deepest fear namin, to lose our parents. And it wasn't easy confronting that fear. Habang sinusulat namin siya, binibrainstorm, madalas kaming umiiyak ni Patrick, ni Direk. Kasi sobrang personal yung pinanggalingan ng story. But I think what really pushed us to tell the story is that this is our love letter to our parents. And the same way kung paano siya naging love letter din ni Direk para sa kanyang mga anak.
Patrick?
We really wanted to tell the story na sobrang relatable to everyone. And I feel like katulad ng sinabi ni John Paul na fear, it's a universal fear for everyone, diba? To lose yung mahal nila sa buhay. So yun yung naging focus namin while writing this story na sana maraming taong makarelate. Gusto namin ikwento to kasi kwento natin to lahat.
Oo, tinan mo kanina nga, dalawa pa lang na si Don pa lang, saka si Alan San Juan pa lang. Nakarelate na kaagad sila eh, no? Thank you, Kate, for your question. The next one is from Tessa Mauricio from the Manila Times. For PJ, Piolo, Inay Maria, or the Diamond Star, is known for her motherly ways on the set, always guiding her co-stars through difficult scenes and helping them become better actors in the process. In your case, as the kuya of the siblings in the movie, did you also find yourself taking on that same nurturing role with your co-stars?
I don't know. Bunso kasi ako sa pamilya eh. Real life ba?
Akala ko gusto ko.
Real life ba? Nurturing in a way na para kasi kaming ano eh, sobra kaming clingy sa isa't isa. So more than the nurturing, it's just being present for the other person. Na it was so easy for us to gel, it was so easy for us to bond. Open yung lahat. So more than the nurturing, it's yung bonding na nabuo. Walang matanda, walang bata, lahat kami, we're all the kids of Inay. Na talaga namang the way she took care of us. Spoiled kami sa set. Pag may pawis, nandyan siya. Spray ng pangpawala ng paus, may lampin agad. So talagang napaka-motherly niya. So, yeah, pag may si JK, magkakasakit, nandiyan na yung ginger na yun, bigla may darating na turmeric ginger dyan, si Belinda, ganun din. So, we really made sure na yung bonding namin, totoo. Totoo talaga siya. So, more than being kapuya, I enjoyed being the son. Okay, Nay.
You wanna react to that, Nay?
Actually, hindi lang yung ano eh, nagkagulatan kami parang gano'n dahil bakit nagkakaintindihan tayo? Bakit parang kilalang-kilala na natin ang bawat isa? Bakit gano'n?
Work with everybody here.
JK ngayon lang, ang batang prinsesa ko ay ngayon lang din. Pero nagsama na kami ni Papa P sa Mila.
Oo nga. Joshua,
Ay, Joshua, first time.
first time. With Direk Cathy also, first time, Nay?
First time din kami ni Delicate.
Kamusta yun with Direk
Ay,
Cathy?
nag-enjoy ako ng sobra sa kanya. Todo. Sobra.
Thank you, PJ. Thank you, Inay.